Hey guys, so I'm back in my Maverick again today, and I'm going to try a quick easy mod that might give you a little bit more storage space and a little bit of maybe a secret compartment, so to speak. But it's just this little sucker, this tray right here, and it goes over your current one. And let me show you what that looks like up close. All right, so here it is. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in this, but basically there's a tray right here, and it just fits perfectly right over that. You can put your sunglasses in there, put that up, just something that's out of the way. So it's a little bit of extra security, I guess you could think of it, but a little extra storage space. Maybe I could use that as my change box instead of this. Who knows? Whatever the case, you know, kind of doubled my storage space, and it actually looks like it belongs. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so here's a closer look at it and what it looks like. Here's the old tray, and this one just goes right on top of it like that. So it fits really well, contours. It's very snug. So I've driven around with it. It does not rattle, so that's great. Anyway, so this is the gray. It comes in a couple of different colors too, but I got gray, and that's the way it's going to look in my car. So it's a real quick, easy extra storage mod.